Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making Chef Michi's Pesto Chicken Potato Salad. Into a large bowl, add the yogurt, mayo, apple cider vinegar, sugar, garlic salt, pepper, potato, tomato, celery, and onion, and mix well. Set aside. In a medium bowl, combine the chicken and pesto and toss until chicken is coated. Add the chicken mixture to the large bowl and toss to combine. Garnish with fresh sliced basil to add both flavor and color. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.